In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pay template with Xero integration. This is a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your pay template set up and ready to go, seamlessly integrated into Xero. First, we need to access Xero, so let's begin by logging into the Xero accounting software. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. If you aren't familiar with Xero, it's a fantastic cloud-based accounting software that helps manage your invoices, pay bills, and track projects. Now, with your credentials at hand, click on the login button, enter your email address and password, ensuring you've entered them correctly, then hit that login button to access your Xero dashboard. Once you've accessed your dashboard, you'll notice a variety of features and options available to you. From here, we want to click on the Connected Apps icon. This option allows us to seamlessly integrate various external apps with Xero, which is crucial for our workflow. Look for the Roster Elf app among your connected apps and click on it. Roster Elf is a powerful workforce management app that works beautifully with Xero to streamline your payroll processes. After you click on Roster Elf, you'll be redirected to its interface. Here, we want to focus on setting up the payroll aspect, so let's move over to the settings menu located within Roster Elf. Once in settings, find and click on the payroll section to take you to the area where we can create and manage pay templates. In your payroll settings, you'll see a plus icon next to the pay template section. Click on that and we're ready to start setting this up. This is where we configure the specifics of the pay template itself, everything from pay rates, departments to employee details that will be automatically captured and processed during the payroll. Tailor each segment to your specific needs for a smooth and efficient payroll process. Crafting a pay template is pivotal as it defines how your company handles payroll within the system. Ensure you review each section carefully, making adjustments as necessary for your business requirements. With everything in place, click Save or the appropriate confirmation button and you're all set. That concludes our tutorial on creating a pay template with Xero integration. By following these steps, you've set yourself up for a more streamlined and efficient payroll management process in collaboration with Xero and Roster Elf. If you have any questions or need further clarification with this setup, feel free to leave comments and we're here to help. Thanks for tuning in and happy payroll managing.